Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson WorkForce WF-7830. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Unlike some older Epson printers, you can't just lift the lid of the printer and have it present you with the ink cartridges for changing on this one. Instead, what we need to do is drag the touchscreen along until maintenance is exposed. Press into that. And then further down this page, we have ink cartridge replacement. Press to go into that. Press next, and then we're ready to go. And to get into where the ink cartridges are kept, we need to go below the scanner, which is quite a large unit on this one. To this handle you can see here, you've got matching recesses on either side. So we get fingers in there and lift. And when the printer realizes the scanner bed has been lifted, it'll get the cartridge cradle into the correct position, which will be just over here. So to get to the ink cartridges, we need to lift this little flap on the cradle. So it comes up nice and easy, exposing clips that run along the back of the 4 cartridges inside. So press down this clip at the back, lift them out. Now, I'm going to pop the same cartridge back in, but if you have a new cartridge, just make sure any protective packaging has been removed. These particular ones quite often have pull tabs on the bottom, so just rip that off, exposing that hole fully. You don't need to worry about the film at this end, that is pierced automatically as it goes into the printer. So get your fresh cartridge, slide it in, and just press down until you hear a little click. When it's in place, sat flush with the rest of the cartridges, safe to close that back down. Again, it kind of clicks into place a little bit. Then you can lower the top of the printer again. And we can return to the screen. Now the printer will be taking a look at those cartridges, making sure it's happy with them all. If it has problems recognizing any of the cartridges, you'll get a warning on screen talking you through it. If you're using compatible or remanufactured ink cartridges, you might get a little warning, but nothing you shouldn't be able to navigate past, as long as it can legitimately recognize the chips that are attached to the cartridges. And that is about all there is to see. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this machine, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.